got me wrapped around a finger. I'm perfect in the palm of your hand. Message couldn't be much clearer, like a metaphor, make-believe. If somebody would've pinched me, now would be the end of this dream. Well, pardon my manners, just something about you turns me to a savage. If I'ma be honest, I can't help but stay out. My balance got me running in circles around you to please. Yeah, I do what I need to. So pardon my manners, just something about you turns me to a savage. Savage, and baby, every time you